Hello, welcome guys. Welcome back to your ninth C++ graphic tutorial. Remember it's openGL tutorial. So this is your 8th openGL tutorial. Last tutorial we did a bunch of things like creating a window object, then storing a window data, which in particular this data creates this data here. glfw creates window. It's a function that creates a window for us. The width of the window is 400. We set it to 400. The height we set it to 400. We give the window name pretty window, just like this name up here. So this are for later. So next one, we created a conditional statement to check if the window was created. Then we set the window to current, set it into the current context. So now we create our game loop where every of our rendering, every of our drawing will be. Then you return 0. Everybody knows this. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get updates of all the tutorial and stuff. Don't forget to share, like. So in this tutorial we are going more further. In last tutorial I talked about GLAD, a library called GLAD that we use in GLFW. So let us recap our memory. GLAD is a library used to get openGL function pointers in the graphic memory or in the graphic card, so we can use them to write graphics. So actually we need to download the GLAD library as we did for the GLFW library too. So we need to download the GLAD library from their website www.glad.org. that is glad.org. Then you find the download button, download it, then let's get rolling. I've downloaded mine and I store mine in the download folder in my laptop, and you can see it's a zip folder, that contains other folder of files. So we are looking for 2 files in this zip folder. So actually I'm gonna put this zip folder in my desktop so everyone can get access to it. Also I can have a better way of getting access to it. So I think put yours in your desktop, then yeah. So my GLAD file, I don't know, refresh. So my zip folder, my GLAD, is here already in the desktop. So I'm gonna open it. We need just 2 files in the GLAD. They include and the include. In the include we have 2 files. So just the way we did GLFW, in GLFW we copy the include folder, not the folder that is in the include folder, we copy and paste it in our project include folder. So the same thing we are going to do here. We'll copy these two folder that are in the include folder, copy both, copy, then look for where you created your project. I created my project here. Yes, remember how we created our project here. Okay, open. So I'm gonna open this and look for our include folder in our project here. Let me show you properly. This our glad, our zip folder, the glad the zip, the glad that we downloaded. So this is the include. So, and this is our project include folder where we paste our GLFW. So open, actually the way I said it, open, then copy these two, copy both, copy, then to the project include folder where we put our GLFW in. So we are going to put these two folder here close to GLFW. So anytime we refer the include folder to our project, it will include all this folder here. It will include the GLFW, the glad, and the KHR. So last thing we need to do is go back a little bit. In our glad, in our zip folder, that is the glad we downloaded from the source, from their website, you will see, after opening, you will see the SRC folder, that contains a glad.c file. So this is here, open it. We are in our glad, so remember we are in our glad folder. So we go to the C and the SRC folder. Now we are having the glad here. So actually you need to open this in your project, or right click, then copy this. Now come to your project folder, the include one, go back to the main project folder. So now this is the openGL tutorial we are running. So actually paste this here. Yep. So what is this all about? First thing, we downloaded the glad, then we extracted the two include, the two folders that are inside the glad include folder. We copy them and we paste them in our project include folder where we pasted the GLFW. So whenever we refer to our include folder in our build option where we include and link or stuff like that, it will include the GLFW and include every other folder containing in the include folder. And this glad, we will open it in our project. So we are done with all this, so I think we can cancel them, refresh your system maybe in case you want, I don't know. So here we are. Now next thing for us to do is to open the last file we copied into our project. So look for it here, our openGL tutorial here. This is it, glad. Open it. Now right click here, add file to active project. Yes. So we have added the glad.c into our project. So right now our glad is here. See here, glad, and this is our main cpp, our source. Okay, now cancel this. Okay, fine. So here we need to, in this game loop, in the while loop here, we are going to use openGL functions, but we don't know where the functions are, their address, where they are, and we can't use them, so we need to call them. That's why we downloaded glad library. The glad library helps us to look for every openGL function that we will be using. So right here, then we write glad. Okay, actually let's save some work first. I'm gonna copy the code and paste it, then I'll explain how what just happened here. So I think move down. So as I was saying, the glad is used for locating the openGL functions. So if you are having any difficulties, you can contact me. You can meet me on my Gmail, Google Plus, my Facebook. Anyhow, you can comment. So actually I'm coming. I have a bunch of software in my laptop, so it gets lagging a lot. I need to, so let's get this done. So remember we created a project, we downloaded the GLFW, we include it into our openGL project, then we give the settings we need for our openGL program by using GLFW, created a window, but not fully creating a window. We give some functions, but the window is not fully prepared already, but we created it partially. So now we need the glad function to help us to call the openGL functions. We downloaded it, we include it. So scroll down, I'm scrolling down. So we'll see in the next video. We will learn how to include the code of GLFW of GLAD in our project. So see me in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. So thanks, bye bye.